Told you I'd see you real soon. Isn't that funny? Hey, want to sit with me?
I was gonna sit with my buds.
I totally understand.
Gang, this is Mark the Tapir, my biggest fan. Mark, this is the gang.
I can't believe I'm having lunch with Sonic the Hedgehog. We even ordered the exact same meal, chili dog fries and a grape soda.
I got an orange soda.
This is all wrong!
Your friend's a little intense. It's clear he has an unhealthy attachment to you.
And you should know. Because you took that psychology class.
He's just a fan. I've got dozens of them. Of course, he's the first one who doesn't criticize everything I do.
If anyone deserves a fan, it's me. Look at this!
Orange soda. Just like you, Sonic.
Oh, actually, we just finished eating.
Oh, yeah, me too. Great having lunch with you. Maybe next time I can bake you a pie at my cabin. Door's always open. Except when it's locked and deadbolted, then nobody gets in. Or out. Well, bye.
See? Nice guy.